hasn't been messed with. So, oh my, there's some rot, nothing too bad, typical areas though. Ooh, that engine with that oil block off looks a little rusted. And if you see right here, see that wiring? I tied it right there. That's dangerous. Very dangerous. And the steering went out on this, so we're gonna have to rig something up. So yeah, looks like it's definitely factory dual exhaust. Looks like they were underneath here doing stuff. It's got that middle cross section. It's cut and welded and closed off. Alright. Yeah, and that plate's off too for the transmission, that underplate. Yeah, it's off. It's all exposed. Why did they do that? E-brake's not there either, in case something happened. That's a very big gas tank. Oh my gosh, that's bigger than the 73. Yeah, just go. She's gone. Oh, there we go. She's off and she's home. 1976 Plymouth Roadrunner Super Coupe. And thanks to Tilico or Tilico Garage, I don't know how to say your name, I apologize. These are actually called opera windows. They're a rare, I guess a rare option. And plus two, this has the rare sun visor, well, sunroof option. Yeah, I don't know why it's called it sun visor. But we'll get in here. It's a crank window, but it doesn't want to. See, it doesn't want to work too well, so we gotta figure out what's going on here. But yeah, upper window inserts, factory. How about that? Yeah, steering's gone. Why didn't they cover it? He says this is a 400. There's a deal in the back. This is a small block. Yeah, this is a small block. It's not a 400. So that might be a 318.
That's a road.
Yeah.
It's another Roadrunner.
Yeah, who cares? Because this supposedly had a 4-barrel on it. So,
Oh, I knew you had a 4-barrel on it because I found the empty box.
yeah. Yeah, but can I even see on what it is? No, there's too much stuff in the way.
Way too much stuff.
Yeah, because he said this was a 400, but no, that's distributors in the back right there. So this is either a 318, 360, or 340. Don't really care. It's a Roadrunner. I mean, but this had a lot of extremely rare options on it, besides the upper windows and that sunroof. Of course, this is not even the original front clip. I don't know what happened to the original, because this is off of something else. Because I see some of them with signal lights on the top, but I don't care. We'll just fill in the holes and just put whatever extra accessories. Because this had the flares, the wheel well flares, and this even had the flare here in the back, but he filled in those holes. And this is, I don't think this is even the original front lid, because they said they had to get something else for it.
More keys.
Oh, really?
Well, aftermarket cuts, but
Oh, yeah, they are. But yeah, they painted this with the brown primer, just like the '79 Macho Power Wagon, and just painted the rest of it orange. But one thing to show here is on the bottom of the door. Yeah, see, I don't know if you can see that too well. Right there's the Roadrunner stripes. That's the other black stripe right here. I took it all off down there because this had the saying of the Roadrunner, you know, all right there. But the guy's kid took off all the stripes and just painted this black because he didn't like the color orange. No, he didn't. But I'm kind of curious how these opera windows are, because he actually filled these in with some putty, the cracks around the window, because he did some terrible body work down right here too. The kid did. Yeah. But the guy owned this since he was 17.
he bought it brand new when he was 17.
Yeah, he bought it brand new. Went in there, ordered all this specifically. The opera windows, the sunroof, everything. He had the flares, but of course this isn't the original front clip.
Or sunroof don't work. I already tried cranking on that.
Yeah, I tried cranking on it too. We'll have to see if we can press it forward. But like I said, he had the flares, the wheel well flares in the back, but the kid filled it in. He got a different trunk lid. Yeah, because you can tell this is not the same, because it's a little bit duller, I mean a little bit brighter orange. And the orange is actually just a tad bit off the rest of the car. You can actually faintly tell that. But yeah, he filled in something over here.
Got both trim pieces ready.
I know.
That might be a little rough trying to find one of those.
Yeah, because I don't really see those online. And I don't know if this had that spoiler thing in the back of the window. I want to learn how to make those. But when we get to this, they did that caulking job on that. So that's going to be fun, because he did that almost all along on that window.
Yeah, he even put screws in there.
Yeah, he ruined the trim. That kid did it. There's a Chrysler key. Huh? Yeah, a lot of those are aftermarkets. That's an old aftermarket cut. Yeah, that's like something from the 80s and 90s, unless it could be something else. But I remember we had to get extra keys for that 78 Power Wagon that we had.
Oh, we got 2 sets of keys for it now.
Yeah. But yeah, there's some accessories that they did add to it, which is this. And I don't think this is the original one, because there's some factory deletes in there, but this evidently had all the extra accessories, I mean inside and out. But the kid changed a lot of it, and he put a different front clip on it. So, but yeah, sadly this is not a 400. But I mean, it is what it is. We don't care. It's another Roadrunner, man. You don't really see these too often, and when you do, they part them out because they're not, you know, like a show car or whatever. It's like nonsense. But they're, oh, look at what's coming out of that that radiator hose. A lot of rust. So this might have been sitting for who knows how long, being open like this. And this was factory 4-barrel.
Well, at least I don't see any major damage if you leave that open. It's fixable and cleanable. You just have to totally tear it apart.
Yeah. Definitely put some headers on it.
I don't know why they start working on something to cover this stupid thing up.
Yeah, because we really can't get over this, because that kid did a job. And this has been exposed for who knows how long, because you can see all the grease and oil has soaked up a lot of the dirt into that grime.
Totally apart.
Yep. So this is probably a 318. Almost looks like it, to be honest.
Well, I'll tell her to get a chance and take a picture of those numbers.
I know. But that that stupid power steering box is in the way. So, well, all in all, that's pretty much everything in a nutshell for this 76 Plymouth Roadrunner Super Coupe.
There would definitely be a while if I put it into this service.
Yeah. And another thing too, we actually found a key in this that was, I guess this was actually set for the crusher at one point, unless it was a spare key to something else. But yeah. All in all, it's pretty much everything in a nutshell. So please do subscribe to us. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers by year's end. We have a Facebook, Instagram, and a TikTok. I don't update Facebook too much, but I update on Instagram and TikTok more. So on that note, we shall bid you all adieu. Aaron and Tucker here signing out for now. So y'all have a good one. Take care and stay safe. See you later.